Amphenol commercial waterproof micro USB 2.0 connectors feature an optimized shell structure design with a full metal shield to protect against EMI, RFI, and ESD. The connector complies with USB 2.0 specifications and can transmit data at up to 480 megabits per second. It supports fast charging with 1.8 amp power contacts and is capable of supporting up to 3 amps. The connector has a robust shell hold-down design for improved peeling force and is rated for 10,000 cycles minimum, ensuring a long useful life for devices that are frequently plugged and unplugged. Amphenol commercial waterproof micro USB 2.0 connectors use epoxy glue-based plastic sealing and meet IPX4 ratings.